Lakota. See? Hello friends, good afternoon. So time check, it is now 4:03 guys in the afternoon. Lakota and I and my friend Sarah, we went to the supermarket this morning. We went to 3 different stores guys. So nakita nyo naman siguro yung clip na nauna na pinuntahan namin. So I'm going to insert that clip para makita nyo. And now we are home. We dropped Sarah first into her house and then of course dito sa bahay namin. So bale pumunta nga kami sa 3 stores. So iba-iba yung binili namin sa mga iba't ibang stores. So I'm going to show you. Yung una na pinuntahan namin is Alto Aragon. Doon nabibili yung mga bulk guys na groceries. Like for example, drinks. If you want to buy drinks, you can buy them cheaper. And normally you can buy cheaper doon sa unang grocery na pinuntahan namin. And then after that, we went to Lidl. And then we went also to Mercadona. So doon sa Mercadona, konti na lang ang nabili namin. Marami pa sana kaming bibilhin, especially sa meat. Kaso nga lang, wala nang space guys yung car ko. Kasi si Sarah, ang dami niyang biniling cokes, mga drinks, ang dami niyang mga nabili. So, ako din, hindi naman gaano marami yung nabili ko. Pero, yun nga, maliit lang kasi yung boot ng car ko. Tapos, kung saan ko nilagay na rin yung mga nabili ko ay doon sa back seat. Doon, kung saan nakaupo sila Kota, doon, basta sa likod lang, doon ko na lang inilagay lahat yung mga binili ko. And I let si Sarah to use the boot. Yes, so, ayun. And now, I'm going to show you yung mga pinamili namin ni Lakota sa first store sa Alto Aragon, guys. Okay, so sabi ko sa inyo, no, bulk doon ang mga karamihan na nabibili. So, we bought 2, 4, 6 guys na 2 liters. 6 na 2 liters na Fanta. And also, this one is, I think, 1.25 liters na Coke Zero. 6 din ito ang nabili namin. And then, hindi naman kami gaano umiinom guys ng beers. Kaso nga lang, once in a while, lalo na in summer, we drink once in a while, especially in the weekend. Maybe Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Basta isang beer lang, ganun guys. And yun nga, ito yung binili namin, Heineken na 12 na lata. And then also, 2 ganito na each pack is 8 guys yung laman niya. As you can see that. Gustong-gusto kasi ng asawa ko ito guys kasi it's 0. Hindi siya pwede sa alcohol. But this one is with alcohol. So, alam niyo na kung sino ang iinom nito. Kaya, ito ang binili ko para sa asawa ko. 0. Alright, so 2 ganito. In total is 16 na latas. And this one, it's only 12. And yun, tapos na yung Coke natin. And Lakota asked me to buy this sprinkles. She loves sprinkles so much. And bumili din tayo ng panglinis. This one is freshener or parang downy, or how do you call that? Softener. Tapos, another one in here. As in, guys, na ang bango nito. Yeah, this is so nice. The smell is so nice. Kasi nga flowers siya. And 3 guys, na Schweppes. Yeah, it's like, this one is just for refreshing, guys. Just for, this Schweppes is for refreshments. Okay, and bumili din pala ako nito, guys. This sabon. Yeah, that is laundry soap. Tapos naubusan kasi ako guys ng ganito, ng Kikuman. As in, wala na akong Kikuman talaga. So kaya pumunta kami doon sa shop na yun. As you can see, ito na lang yung natitira kong Kikuman or soy sauce. I use soy sauce a lot. Kaya wala na akong stock, so bumili ako ng 2. So, ayun, dalawa yun, guys. So, bale, 2 liters. And also, naubusan din kami ng ketchup. Kids love ketchup so much. And bumili din ako ng dalawa na ganito na 1 pack is 3, guys. Na ganito. Ayan, pack 3. So, dalawa. Bale, 6 lahat. And also, extra balsamic vinegar, which I love to put in my salads. And I love this craft, guys. This is the traditional mayonnaise. I have mayonnaise, but iba yung brand niya, guys. Branded yun siya, kaso nga lang, hindi ko gaano type yung taste niya. I so love this craft. Kaya ito yung binili ko, guys. Dalawa yan. And my friend and her family were planning to have sushi this week, I hope. So, bumili ako ng rice vinegar. This is for sushi, guys. As you can see that, sushi. Pang sushi yan. And Hailey loves potatoes. Fried potatoes or French potatoes. So, we use this one also. And itong dalawa, guys, na tuna. We love tuna. We put in our salads, in our ensaladilla rusa, or in our pasta salad. We love to put this one, guys. You can use this tuna in everything. And some people, they also put this on top of the very hot rice. Yung asin na bagong luto, guys. Yung anak ng kaibigan ko, he loves it. Yung bagong luto ng rice. Tapos, ilagay niya lang ito. And then, a little bit of salt. As in, solve na ang dinner. Parang sardine sa atin, guys. Kaso lang, this one is tuna without nothing. Just olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil yung ginamit dito. So, ayan. Bale, dalawa yan. And Lakota asked me to buy this. Normally, Lakota doesn't eat this. But, ewan ko ba kung bakit niya ginusto yan. And this one, Lakota asked as well. Tapos, dalawa, guys, na ganito. My husband doesn't like that we buy these things, but once in a while, yeah. And Lakota also wanted to buy this, OMG. And dalawa na wet, guys. This is like longganisa na dried, guys. Yan, and the kids love so much. Tapos may dalawang plate na ganito ang binili ko, guys. So I have 20 plates because if we have dinner, something like that outside in the garden, kasi mabibigat yung mga plates, guys. So, minsan this one is practical to use. So, bumili ako ng dalawa na ganyan. And I love this coffee with milk with cream, guys. Ang sarap niya. And this one as well, Snickers. I don't eat that much, but once in a while, yes. And, ano pa, bumili din ako ng dalawa. Bale, isang dosena, guys, 6 and 6. So, ayan, 6 by 1 liter. Bale, 12 yan siya, guys. Mahal kasi, guys, doon sa store. Kung saan ako nagtatrabaho, mahal siya. So, pag pumupunta ako doon, as in na, kumukuha ako ng dalawa or tatlo. Kaubos lang kasi yung isa, guys, na binili ng asawa ko. Yung isang pack na ganito. And also, we bought this full milk. Yeah, because the kids, they use a full milk. Dalawa din na pack yan. So, this one, and this one's doon sa store, sa bulk store, guys. And then we went to Lidl. So I'm going to show you what are the things we bought in Lidl. Okay? Dito lang, guys, sa ano niya, at tabi niya. So bumili kami ng dalawang bread kasi ang akala ko my husband and Lakota are going to the pool this afternoon for a swim. And I also bought this one for for the sandwich. Or this one, it's up to them. They can choose what they want to put in their sandwich. Tapos, dalawang flam, guys. Ito. And, Lakota asked this one as well. One donut with something inside. And 2 small croissants with white chocolate and this red thingy. Ayan. Tapos, this one is also from Lidl. And this one is puff pastry with spinach. Yan. Dalawa na avocado. Cherry tomatoes. This one is 99% guys na beef. Ground beef. 99% na ground beef. Ano kaya yung 1% niya? No? So, ayan. And bananas. We love bananas. We also bought 2 of these because my husband wants this one with his coffee sometimes. Once in a while. And 1.5 kilo na Fuji. We love Fuji apples. And 2 packs of this Greek yogurt. We also bought the plant, guys. I will show you the plant. No, this is the plant. This is 8 euros. I also bought this for Lakota. And this one is for my husband. This is 70% cacao with almond. Ayan, dito ko binili.
Wow, many things.
Yeah, many things. And 2 packs of this natural. This one is for my husband too. This one is for Lakota and Haley because they love it so much, this one. And we bought grapes as well. This one. This tomato ketchup. As you observe that I bought also one from the bulk store and one from Lidl because this one is 1 liter, guys. 1 kilogram, and it is 875 ml. So ano to, guys? Kaya $3.99. This one is $3.65 I think, and this one is $3.99. So kumuha ko ng isa. Yes. And ano pa? Bumili din ako ng spaghetti because I love to put some in my stash, guys. Spaghetti, 1 kilo macaroni, 1 kilo black ground pepper, cherry tomatoes. I'm not sure if I showed you this one a while ago. Tapos 2 breadcrumbs with garlic and parsley. And 2 salt. And also this one, guys. This is sunscreen, guys. Yeah, kasi mainit dito. And my husband and my kids, they always go to the pool. So they always use sunscreen. And 2 of these tomato, guys, para sa ating spaghetti or ating macaroni. And my husband loved this one so much, so I bought for him. Yeah, royal mix, and this is unsalted and it's raw. And yeah, that is really good for the health. Yes. And dalawang tomate frito na in bricks. So this one in bottle and this one's in bricks, guys. So ito yung binili ko sa Lidl. Ito yung sa Lidl. Alright, guys. So ito naman yung binili ko sa Mercadona. This is 1 pack of toilet tissue. Tapos kitchen towel as well. Or kitchen paper. Shampoo. Can you see the shampoo? It's nice, huh? Tapos ito, guys, pagkain ng pusa namin. Ayan, dalawa. Ano pa, kunti lang binili ko doon, guys, kasi nga wala na kaming paglagyan. Tapos ito, guys, naman, kasi babaunin nila Lakota ito if they're going to the swimming pool. So ayan. So ayan lang ang binili namin sa ano, guys, sa Mercadona. Ito lang, maliit lang. So ayan. Okay, guys, so yun lahat ang binili namin ni Lakota. And I hope you like the video. So this is, guys, for the 4 of us, family of 4. my husband and I, and then our two girls, Lakota and Hailey. So guys, itago na natin lahat itong mga ito para hindi sila masira. And thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video, subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, and hope to see you again very soon. Bye!